Sawadee krap from Bangkok, Thailand. How's it going, everybody? I made it. I left Nashville on Monday, January 7th, and today is what is today? January 11th. Flew to San Francisco, met up with some friends, flew from San Francisco over to Shanghai. My plane, the gate got changed and the time got changed, so I missed that plane. So I ended up getting a 24-hour visa in Shanghai and staying the night there. Caught a flight to Bangkok the next day at 8:45, and I got here sometime yesterday afternoon. So here I am in my room at Penn Park Place, probably about 700 meters from Khao San Road, Backpacker's Paradise. So the room I got is not the one that I made reservations for, because I missed my flight and all that. They thought I wasn't showing up and didn't get my email because in China the Wi-Fi is weird, and the internet, you're not allowed to use like YouTube or Facebook or anything like that, and I don't think my Go to app was working. So anyway, I still came to this place and they didn't have my room anymore, so I ended up getting a double with aircon and a private bathroom and everything. It was about $25, so that's a little more than I wanted to spend compared to the $8 a night that I was going to pay for my little single room. But here in just a few, I'm going to move to a single room and stay here for a few days until I figure out what I'm going to do. But I just thought I'd give a little tour of the room. And like I said, this was about 1,000 baht per night. They gave me a little break, you know, and I mean, dealing with jet lag and all that stuff, you know, whatever. I'm glad that I'm in here, and they're actually like super nice here. So it's a double bed, as you can see. Beds were firm but comfy. Got a little table and chairs here, pretty basic. Got a Western toilet, not bad. Most of them are squat toilets. Any basic shower for Asia. Hot water was nice. So that's the room. The Wi-Fi is good. Maybe we'll go outside and check that out. I'll show you the rooftop view. Sawadee krap. Not bad. There's the bridge. We're really close to the river. And our nice courtyard below. But yeah, all in all, life is good. Can't really complain about the location. It's just far enough away from all the backpackers that, you know, all I hear at nighttime is some birds. So that's good. And I'm going to go out and explore a little bit today and see what else I can get into. I went out this morning and found a temple, followed some monks around, got some breakfast at the restaurant downstairs, and just going to rest for a little while and then see what else I can get into. There's where all the birds like to stay. Welcome to Bangkok.